Alright, it's engine night again, and we're working on the overhead BRIGGS here, overhead valve BRIGGS. And we got everybody here. We got a little dirt bike.
Tips.
And Mike's over here. He last time we were working on this, he put the keyway, the shaft, the key. What's that called, Mike? Keyway?
The keyway, the key seat, and the in this side.
And the one side. Now he's working on this.
Gotta do the other side, and then we gotta approach the flywheels.
Yeah. In between, I went and bought a light for him. Look at it.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, because it was kind of dark on this side. Matter of fact, I don't know if you guys are familiar with these kind of lights. You know, they're LEDs, but them wings there actually move. I'll put a link in the description for you. They're not that cheap. When I bought one, it was $25, and the next time I bought it was $32. But them wings there are aluminum and stuff. It's a well-made light, so we're happy with that. But it really, you see, like I'm trying to see what Mike's doing here. You can't see it, and I got 9 fluorescent LED lights all through this garage, and you still get dark spots. So when I was trying to film Mike last week, it was kind of dark. So now you put that on, and it's much better for everybody.
Yep. It's like daylight.
Yeah. Last time when Mike put this crank in there, he set it up and was using a little hammer and tap it and stuff like that. And somebody left a suggestion, and it was pretty good. You got to remember, neither me or Mike, we're not machinists, and we don't know the little tricks and stuff, you know. And he said put our parallels back there, and Mike actually put a 1, 2, 3 block up against the parallel to straighten that up. So that's and like he said, you put that down there, and voila, it should be right on.
That's right. That's what they tell me.
All right, you guys see Mike do this last week, or it was last week, Mike? No, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. So we'll let him do this, and we'll pick it up when we start broaching the flywheels. All right? All right. See you then. How you making out of there, buddy?
Just taking it out now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Huh. Bring it over here under this light. I don't have it on yet. Huh.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Well, made a nice cut, didn't it?
Yeah, the edges are real crisp on it. So there's one of our gib keys. They sit in there nice. Obviously, they're going to be cut down quite a ways.
Yeah, cut half it off.
But yeah.
All right.
Should have a good engagement with the flywheel.
I think so. All right. All right. Mike is ready to broach this flywheel over here, and he had set it all up before I got a chance to get the camera going. So on the next flywheel, we'll show you exactly what a broach is and how it works.
Right. So
But right now, he's got this set up here. So this little thing with the teeth is lined up, and you push that in there, and it'll cut that keyway.
yeah, it's tapered, so each tooth cuts a little bit more. So let's see.
We got it set up on a drill press. We were using the arbor press, but it's a little too much to set up, and this will do the job just fine.
Yeah, actually, we might want to. We could probably try it in the arbor again, because it's we're broaching a pretty thick or long width there.
Right.
You see.
So you want to try the arbor again?
Yeah, I think now that we have these stack of washers, let's try it in the arbor press.
All right.
Have a bit more control.
All right, we're going to set up, and then we'll get back to you guys. Yeah, this is a 2-ton arbor, and this is actually meant to do this kind of thing. So, and that wheel just barely fits in there.
Yeah, barely. Let's see. Kind of have to play it a little bit.
You know, I hate to do it, but we might have to go over to the press.
Oh, the actual
30-ton press, yeah. But you should be able to do it with this. Yeah, there he goes.
Yeah, that's much more control.
Let me get over here.
Whoa, watch out.
Sorry about that.
Serious business here.
It is.
Handle up. That way the handle doesn't hit the workpiece. gonna catch that broach for me when it comes out?
Oh yeah, good idea.
Man, we would drop that out. You see all the chips it's taken out?
Yeah, hold up, Mike. Let me.
Whoa.
You see, I'm showing the guys. You see the little curly chips that are coming out?
Right.
Go ahead.
That's the formation of our keyway. Okay, you should be able to
Just
pull it
I
right
should
out.
be able to pull it out like that.
Yep.
Brilliant.
So that was our first step in our key. Right there, you can see it.
Okay. Now that only takes a little bit out. Now, where's that little key thing?
Right here.
Yeah. Then for a second pass, they got a little
They call it
piece
the
of
shim.
metal.
Yeah, the shim.
A little shim that fits in there,
You slide it in there, and then you put you run the broach through again.
and that'll bring you out another. Looks like
Another-
64th of an inch maybe.
Yeah, maybe 40 thousandths or so,
Yeah.
45 thousandths. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see if we can just do it all in the arbor now. We don't have enough height. We should though.
Just barely, yeah. That's a 3/16 broach.
Right. Yeah, the key. Okay, so that's sitting in there now.
Yeah, most people, they think a brooch is something that a woman puts on her, a little decorative pin that goes on her blouse.
Okay.
Look at that. Mike has this up against the wall here,
Yeah.
and he's just got enough. Just barely, if that flywheel was another 1/8 of an inch, we couldn't have done this. I guess we could have. We would have made something to go on.
Oh, we would have made it work.
We would've-
Actually, there's a hole here, so we could have made like a, like a
Right, a
disc
little
or
plate,
something.
yeah.
Right, a little plate. So, and that's probably what that hole's for, is for specific tools.
I bet you something. I bet you it's thread. I bet you something screws in there. There you go. I got your brooch, buddy.
Don't lose that. I'm gonna need you to catch it for me.
All right, you see it? We're getting more filings out of there. Look at them.
Okay, you should be able to get it now.
I got it, buddy.
Well
So
done.
that should be it. That should be our 3/16, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And now we just got to get that out of there.
Yep. Yeah, this was tight fit on this one, so we'll just use the arbor and press it right on out of there. Oop.
Yeah, that flywheel's cast. We were afraid that it was going to bust open, but it worked out good.
Let me grab a little socket. We'll send that the rest of the way out. Should be fun right here. Too big? Yeah,
A little bit.
a little bit too big. Hang on. Stand by. There you go.
Here it comes. Here we go.
And there's our key. Keyway. Key C.
And here's the keyway. Where's your actually, I don't even, no.
Oh, we need
Your gib key.
gib key. It's around here somewhere. Hang on.
Should be right there.
I had one. Oh, there it is.
There it is. Give it a try, buddy. I only got one hand here. Wow, look at that.
Well done.
Well done, buddy. All right. Next thing we'll do, we'll put it on the crankshaft and see how it looks.
Yeah.
All right, Mike is he's doing a second one here. Keep your eye right here. You can hear it cutting.
There's some hard spots.
Yeah, you hear once you hit the hard spots. I think that one was welded, Mike, for some reason.
Yeah, there's a weld in the hub for some odd.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that big chick that took it out.
Huh.
I don't want to look at the back.
That weld. Why do people weld things like that? I tell you.
Oh well.
Yeah. Well, all it did was remove a blob of weld from the cast iron. So we'll just have this side facing in.
Right. We'll clean it up, make it look good.
Yeah.
You don't even have to.
This could be facing in. No,
Right. That side looks great.
It does.
Okay. Yeah, Mike had the flywheel. He put the flywheel on here. Stick that one on, Mike. Oh, gonna have to get another gib key out. hole right here.
Yeah.
You get out your way, buddy. Go ahead. I'm gonna come around here. You scoot around there. Switch.
That's already a bit tight. Oh, it's not lined
It's
up.
not lined up.
That would be why, huh? That is a bit tight yet. Might need to do some dressing on that key.
On the key, yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Okay. But that's that's the point of them. They're taper keys. So, but yeah, that's what it's gonna look like.
Alright, got the flywheels on, and one of these is a lobe.
This one.
This one here is a lobe for our timer, and this is just a spacer to make everything even. So that's how it's going to be. Now Mike has to
I gotta trim these gib keys down.
right. So you just got to put a mark on it.
Yeah, I was just eyeballing it. I want the head to stick out about there. And I used a file and scratched a little mark in it here. So I'll take that and cut that with a hacksaw and clean it up, and we'll see if it snugs up in there. It's already pretty close, so it might have enough taper to bite right in this area. So that's what we want.
Okay, yeah, this one over here already bit, Mike.
Yeah, that one did. So
we might have to actually file down there.
we will, yeah.
We're gonna have to make these keys fit.
That's right.
All right, that's what it's all about, buddy. It's looking good though.
It is. I like
It's
it.
gonna look good when it's on the machine. All right. Mike cut both of these keys. How's it look? You wanted to leave about an eighth of an inch.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's about what you got. Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's nice and tight.
Oh, look at that. How's it? It don't move at all, does it?
No.
Huh. Well, there you go, man. That's huge progress. Now all we got to do is put this in a block, the connecting rod and everything, and a piston, and then find a way to mount that carburetor, Mike.
Right.
All right. So I'm going to end it here. Like I say, we made huge progress there. You know what? You probably didn't even try that, but these wheels are lined up perfect, Mike.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. I'm saying perfect, Mike. That's crazy. We couldn't have done it if we tried.
No.
That's wild. All right. What do you say, buddy?
Enough of this.
All right, Mike.
That's it.
Enough of this. All right. We'll see you guys in the next one.